the white car. Where's the car?
Where's the car? The car is there, see? What's the color of our car?
This car, black.
Black car, that's right. That's our car, the black one. Drink your water na.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Good morning, friends. It's so very early in the morning. It's very early in the morning and I'm just getting ready. Ayan. So, naghilamos lang ako, guys. And I'm just gonna put moisturizer on my face. Pero today is the day. So, ngayon, guys, is babalik na si Paris sa childcare. And kaya maaga kaming nagising. Actually, Paris is still sleeping, guys. Bumangon lang kami ng maaga para ma-ready namin yung sarili namin before Paris. Kasi diba, last night, hinanda ko naman yung mga dadalhin at gagamitin niya. So, very easy lang yun. We just have to wake her up. Sana naman hindi siya umiyak. So, last night, pinatulog ko talaga siya ng medyo maaga kasi normally, natutulog yun siya is very late. Kaya dinala ko talaga siya sa bed very early tapos pinadede ko para makatulog siya. So hopefully hindi siya ngayon magsusuk pa. So ayan pa ang ating baby, guys. Oh, nagtinawad pa siya. You know, guys, when I was a kid, I used to sleep like that too. Tinawad. So ayan. Hindi yan siya naghahabol, guys. Ito na yung mga damit na niredy ko last night para suotin niya. Gisingin na natin siya, guys. Morning, princess.
No.
Good morning, my love.
No.
Ay, shush. Oh, your bag is ready na, oh. Have a look at your bag for school. Ooh. Mama put it next to you, Baba. Now we have to wake up and get ready and go to school and see our friends and play with toys. Come on, we talked about it last night, didn't we? Right na. Come on, my love. Come on na. Mama cuddle me. Good morning. No. Good morning.
No.
Oh, shush.
Sandcastle. Who's gonna play with the toys?
Yeah.
Who's gonna play with my friends?
Yeah, are you gonna read the book as well with Sarah? Come on. Come on, my beautiful girl. Hello, Lola.
Lola's outside.
Yeah, Paris will be outside too. Come on, come on.
I'll find the red egg.
You'll find the red egg, yes.
Come lay down.
You'll find the red egg. Come on.
Paris too big for.
My heart.
Mommy help. Okay, yeah, I know. We're gonna get like a smaller bag because this is too big and nothing in there anyways. Yay! Are you ready?
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 Ready for school.
Open the door, honey. Paris ready for school? Wow.
One. Hey. How that son?
And she's very excited. Oh, it's cold.
Play all day.
Here, Baba.
Hi.
We're here. Ishish.
Two cats.
Party na yun ay.
One.
Two cats.
Poor cat.
Just a school cat.
Yay! Fish! Yay!
You have fun today?
Are
Say
you excited?
Fish.
fish.
Fish is swimming in the pool.
Fish is swimming in the pool.
Say bye-bye to daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Kiss, Daddy.
No.
Yeah, bye-bye daddy. Paris go play. Kiss.
Fish.
Jellyfish.
Alive.
Oh yeah, both alive. I think it was dead last time.
Good rats.
Yes.
You thought it was dead last time?
No, rats.
Oh yeah. Ang atin niyo, oh. Naman. So we just dropped her and she waved bye to us. She said bye, mommy and daddy. It was so sweet. But so good. It's good to know that she's, you know, happy there. So now we're just gonna go home and work and then pick her up mamayang hapon.
What time we pick her up?
I don't know, up to us really. Kakauwi lang namin guys and gagawa lang ako ng kape. Ayan. And then start na tayo sa work. Alam niyo guys, yung pag-iyak ko kanina guys, walang-wala yun sa pag-iyak ko. The very first time talaga na nag-start si Paris ng childcare. It's different kasi this time kasi alam kong ma-experience na si Paris doon and they love Paris and they look after Paris very well. Kaya hindi na ako masyadong very worried ba sa loob ko. Kung hindi nyo pa nakita yung video namin guys nung first time talaga ni Paris sa childcare, ililink ko siya below and check that out and makikita nyo talaga na bumaha talaga ang luha ko guys. But this time, yung pag-iyak ko kanina is more on, hindi lang sa dahil mamimiss ko siya dito sa bahay, obviously, but because I was very happy na makita ko siyang ganun. She's going to have a great day. Kaya yun, that's another reason why umiyak ako. It was tears of joy. Dinala namin siya sa loob. Tapos, sabi nung mga teachers na doon, oh, we miss you, Paris. Ganun, ganun. Tapos, sabi nila, oh, you want something to eat for breakfast? And pinaupo nila si Paris. And then, you know, Paris straight away, umupo siya doon sa harap ng mga teachers, mga kaibigan niya. And then, they gave her toast. Tapos, nung sabi namin na alis na kami, uwi na kami, wala talaga siyang iyak, guys. Sabi lang niya, bye, mommy, bye, daddy. So, it just shows that, you know, she really wants to be there and she's enjoying her time there. So, very happy about that. So, ngayon, magkakape lang muna tayo. Ayan, ito yung kape namin, guys. Oh, mukha na. And then, hindi mawawala ang ating coffee mate. I remember, guys, nasa Pilipinas ako. When I was a kid, I love coffee mate. Nasa sachet pa yun, guys. Ngayon, oh, di ba? Nag-upgrade na tayo. Meron na sa ganito. Before, sachet lang siya. Ito yung gusto ko, guys. Oh. Ito yung nagpapalagay ng loob ko while si Paris sa childcare. So, merong app na ganito na tawag nilang Explore Home. Yan. Tapos, ina-update nila kami sa mga pangyayari. So, before, kanina signed in si Paris kaninang umaga. And then, sinasabi nila na nakawiwi na si Paris. Kaya, yan, nag-change sila ng nappy. And then, next one is Paris had a jams cons. So, kumain si Paris. Ayan. So, that's why, medyo okay yung pakiramdam ko, guys, si Paris sa childcare dahil sa ganito.
Guys, 12:30 na ng hapon and 30 minutes ago, guys, ay may natanggap kong update galing sa childcare ni Paris. Sabi, kumain daw si Paris ng soup, guys. Can you believe that? Kasi dito sa bahay kasi, guys, nakikita niya ako all the time. So, pag nakikita niya ako, obviously, kumpayot na siya sa ako, guys, kaya magdidi. So, ngayon, nakarest yung didi natin. Nakarest yung didi natin ngayon, guys, kasi wala dito si Paris. But, it's good to know, no? Sana nga naman totoo to, na kumain talaga siya ng, minestrone soup. Anyways, yung gagawin natin ngayon, guys, is magla-lunch break na kami ni Mike. Sasama kaming lunch break. And this time, kami na lang dalawa kasi si Parisya namin ay nandun na sa school. So, kami lang dalawa ni Mike pupunta sa shops, maglalakad. Nanghiram ako kay Mike ng jacket, guys, kasi very makulimlim sa labas ngayon. Ayan, Tapos, 13 degrees lang yata ngayon. So, nanghiram ako nito kasi very warm. So, ayan guys, very thick yung suit natin. Si Mike andyan. Hindi ko alam na, nandito pala si Manny Pacquiao sa Australia, guys. Alam niyo guys, I miss Paris. Do you miss Paris, Daddy?
Very much.
Yeah, very much. Namimiss ko talaga ang aming prinsesa. Anyways, pipick upin namin siya mga What time are we going to pick up Paris, Daddy? What time are we going to pick her up?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock? Yeah. So, 5 o'clock kasi 6:30 naman mag-close yung childcare. So, anyways, alis na kami guys. So, kami na lang dalawa. Ulitaw dalaga. We're like singles. Again. Mag-date muna kami guys. Dahon. Last time, very orange yung dahon niya. It feels weird walking without the pram. Hindi kami sanay guys na maglalakad kaming dalawa without the pram, diba? Kasama namin si Paris all the time pag pumupunta kami sa shops. And, meron pala akong dala guys. Top siya. Nalagay ko na sa plastic. Binenta ko guys kasi hindi ko naman sinusuot. Ganyan. Yung brand niya, sa Gourmand pa yan galing. But hindi ko na siya sinusuot so binenta ko na lang. So, while we're going to the shops, ipopost ko siya. Punta ako ng post office. Dito na ako sa post office. Ito yung bibilin ko kasi kakasya naman dito. So, for this one guys, it's $9.20. So, na-post ko na guys. And now, babalik lang ako sa kasi iniwan ko si Mike muna. Bumili siya ng kape. And I said, punta muna ako ng post office para masave namin yung time ba. So, alam niyo guys, yung top na yun, I was selling it for $25. Tapos, yung nakagusto ng top na yun, she's from Brisbane. So, kailangang i-post. Tapos, sabi niya, guys, is it okay if, $25 including na postage? Naawa naman ako sa kanya, guys. Kasi, sabi ko, sige, go na lang. Hinayaan ko na lang, guys. Free postage na lang. Yung postage is $9.20. Dito na ang aking kape. Thank you, sir. Nakatanggap na tayo ng mga updates, guys. Picture ni Paris galing sa childcare niya. So, ayan. That's what's really good about this. Yeah. Kasi merong app. Tapos, ayan na yung picture niya. Ayan, ang baby girl. Naglalaro na siya. Nakita ni Mike yung tingnan nyo, nagkahawak yung kamay nila. Sabi ni Mike, who's that boy? Tapos ito, naglo-loading pa siguro to. Tapos, dito. Ayan. So, ayan, tingnan nyo ang bata natin, Ayan, sobrang lihok. Ayan, ayan siya. Ang buhok niya, ang hair clip niya, hindi na nakaklip sa kanyang hair. Tingnan yung bangs niya, tabunan na yung mata niya. Ayan. Tapos, dito pa. Yeah, I really love receiving photos. Ayan, yan yung mga ginagawa nila, painting. So, alam na alam ko talaga yung mga, pangyayari. Alas 5 na! Fresh ka pa ba? Guys, alas 5 na. Kakatapos ko lang mag-work and may natanggap kami sa mail. Uy! And yung nakasabi dito sa labas is baby shoes. Ayan. But hindi ko i-open kasi hintayin ko si Paris para siya yung mag-open ito. Ma-surprise siya. Alis na pala kami ngayon guys kasi pipick upin na namin yung baby girl namin. I miss her so much guys and I can't wait to see. Nandito na kami sa labas ng paaralan. Are you excited, Daddy?
Yeah.
Very excited to see baby girl, to see her face, her smile. Yeah. Normally, in this room. Oh no. Ito yung mga arts nila. See her? She's there in the sandpit. Iris is here.
Jellyfish.
Say
Jellyfish. See you, jellyfish. See you tomorrow.
Say bye. Good night.
Good night.
Night, fish.
Night, night, fish. Bye, bye, fish.
Hi.
Oh, did you have a good day, sweetheart?
It's so rain.
Did you have a good day?
Look at castle.
Oh, did you do a castle? Did you make a castle? What else did you do?
Did you eat? Did you eat food?
Did you eat
eating
food?
It's a fruit.
Good girl.
Good job, my
What
love.
food did you eat?
Maybe the butter.
I heard you ate Vegemite.
Yeah.
I saw the white car.
Oh,
Where's the car?
where's the car? The car is there. See? What's the color of our car?
This car, rock.
Black car. That's right. That's our car, the black one. Drink your water na. Ooh, good job. Well done, honey. Very proud of you. Are you proud of baby girl, Daddy?
Very, very proud.
Very, very
I
proud.
missed you a lot today.
Yeah, we did miss you,
I was
honey.
thinking about you all day.
We were like, where's Paris? Why is that no one is going on to my Didi?
It's big
Give that, Adam, give that a kiss.
Mommy too? Mommy too?
Tap.
Oh, tap the nose. Kiss the mama. Kiss the mama. I love you. Love you? Sheesh, love you.
It's big black one.
Yeah, black one. That's our car, the black one.
A black.
Yeah. Mama's got a gift for you when we get home. We're gonna open it.
Open.
Open. Nakauwi na ang ating baby girl. Nak. Hello. Ang Didi. Didi agad nak. Ito yung ginawa niya, oh. Ito yung ginawa niya sa school. Parang stone siya, tapos kinulayan lang. Art niya. Yan yung art mo sa school, na. Guys, nandito kami sa lunchroom, so yung light is not very nice. But, dito na si Paris. Diba pinakita ko to sa inyo kanina. Tapos, nandito na siya. Ipa-open ko sa kanya. Open it, honey. That's for you. Open?
Not open.
Yeah. Open. Okay. Oh. What is that? Shoes! Woohoo! Show them! Show them!
Open.
Open! Okay, shoes. Guys, so ito yung shoes na natanggap namin para kay Paris. And you know what? Open this one up. Parehas to kay Baby Jessica. Here! Parehas kay Baby Jessica, guys, itong binili ko. Kasi nung pagbili ko kay Baby Jessica sa Lola's Family ba, I was buying something for Paris too. Kaya, ayan, magkaparehas sa twinings kayo na Jessica, nak. Pareho mong sapatos ni Jessica. Alam na, magdidi na siya. But ayan, guys, oh, very cute. Ganitong-ganito rin talaga kay Baby Jessica. Kasi, the same lang na tindahan yung binilhan ko nito. Anak, kalit lang na. Hi guys, good evening. So time check tayo. It is 8:50 na ng gabi. Ayan, be, makita ba? Hindi man siya makita, guys. Oy, pasagdi na lang. Kakalabas na namin ni Paris from shower. So, naliguan na namin ang aming mga buhok. Hindi ko pa nga nasudlay, guys. Oh, very pa. Kasi, I avoid to brush my hair pag basa pa siya ba. Before ko ipapatulog si Paris is i-ready ko yung bag niya for tomorrow. So today, guys, all in all, we had a good feedback, great feedback from the teacher. Paris had a good day daw. She has been, she was happy the whole day. And yeah, she was just, learning and playing, guys. So we were very happy to hear that. So dito, guys, sa loob ng niya, nilagay nila sa cellophane, guys. Oh, ito yung kanyang bulingon. Lalagyan ko na naman ng guys, ng mga damit for tomorrow. And i-ready ko na rin yung mga susuotin niya bukas. Ayan. Ayan. We are going to read the book. Ayan. What's this? Cat, come here. Come here. Show them your book. Whoa, you okay? Baby fell down. Ayan siya, guys, oh. Ayan.
Baby fall down the bed.
Oh, baby fall down the bed.
Baby fall down the bed.
Yes. Just say, hi, tita. Hi, tito.
Hi, T-Pace.
Say hi ba? Hi, tita. Hi, tito. Ayan. She thinks it's a car, this one, guys, oh. Yung malaking box ba? I-turn off ko na yung light, guys. Ito na lang yung naka-on ba, oh. Para dim lang siya. So, Paris can go to sleep na kasi maaga pa yung sa bukas, guys. Dapat gising na kami mga 7 o'clock para mag-ready. Guys, great news pala. So, pagkagising ko kaninang umaga, guys, I was very happy when I looked at my YouTube and we reached 2,000 subscribers, guys. Yay! Thank you very much talaga, guys, sa mga suporta nyo. And I try my hardest, guys, para magbigay ng magandang content para naman hindi kayo maboring sa ating mga videos. Pasensya na, guys, minsan hindi ko na siya shoutout lahat kasi nga, 'di ba, medyo madami-dami na rin tayo, guys. So, hindi na tayo maliit-liit, laki-laki na rin. So, gusto ko lang i-shoutout Sis Rosette Pasyente, Dalagang Magayon, Cactus PH, Kathleen Domo, Michay Cads, Marilyn Drudge, Sofia Mangilin, Amy and Anthony. Hello, Day. Salamat sa pag-watch at sa pag-comment. Akong nag-iisang mama, Bing Essen. Oh, ayan, naghimo gid siya account, guys, para maka-comment daw kuno siya sa atong mga videos. Christine Joy Tabak, Janet Gordon, Mary Jane Subere. Hi, Day. Hi, sis. Hello sa inyo diha sa San Isidro. Balik sa Misamis Oriental. Silingan na gid ta, sis. Waterfooler jud me. Dili na gid ta layo. Galaaga pa mi diha San Isidro before napakos Pilipinas. Izel Iga. Shout out Rosemary Romuar. Michael David Oiko. Simply Norge. Junray Gikan. Sheng Balusan. Ninita Galindo. April Rose Romero. Kimberly Lapornina, Mirasol Daya, Eileen Calib, hello Day, Maria Dimna Baliber, Liza May Quino, Richard Antiga, Jess Shiel, Gina, Red Sibial, Arjo Tapal, Carmen Cambron, shout out daw from Cibolo, Texas, USA. Hello! Guys, ang aking anak ay hindi na naman makahulat na magdidi. Yeah, one more. Shout out Riza Levantino, Maria Gay Ramon, hello ni Mika and Sky, Leo Marie Bagaipo, and Jenny Katz. Hello, shout out to everyone. And sa mga bago nating subscribers, welcome sa ating channel and sana ma-enjoy nyo yung mga vlogs natin. Thank you everyone for watching our videos. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you na siya, guys. Kaya gusto naman siya magdidi. Please give this a thumbs up. Say, please give this a thumbs up. Thumbs up. And hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Please don't forget to be good. And if you can, be careful.
Special. Bye.
Bye. Say nanay, tita.
My dad, Nana Pizza.
Nanay, tito.
Nana Tito.
I love you.
Ayo.
Flying kiss. Bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye, guys.